If you've ever wished you could run your favorite Chrome extensions right on your Android device, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 3 Android browsers that support Chrome extensions. So by the end, you'll know exactly which one suits your needs and how you can enjoy a desktop-like browsing experience on your phone or tablet. Let's jump right in and talk about the browsers that make this possible. The 3 top choices are Kiwi browser, Yandex browser, and Microsoft Edge. Each has its own strengths in supporting extensions. So let's take a closer look at what they offer, how they work, and why you might choose them. Starting off with Kiwi browser. If you've never heard of it, don't worry, it's a hidden gem. Kiwi browser is built on Chromium, which is the same underlying technology as Chrome itself. What makes Kiwi really stand out is that it offers complete compatibility with the Chrome Web Store. That means you can actually install extensions directly from the Chrome Web Store, just like you would on your desktop. No complicated workarounds, no sideloading. Just open the Chrome Web Store, find your favorite extensions, and install them. For example, you can add tools like uBlock Origin for ad blocking, or install your favorite password manager. This makes Kiwi a fantastic choice if you rely on extensions for productivity or security. Plus, it feels familiar, almost like you're using Chrome, so the learning curve is minimal. If you're someone who needs full access to the extension ecosystem, Kiwi is probably going to be your first pick. Moving on to Yandex browser. You might know Yandex as a Russian tech giant, but their browser is actually well regarded worldwide, especially for its extension support. Yandex browser also lets users tap into Chrome extensions and handles many of the extensions available in the Chrome Web Store with ease. It's pretty straightforward to enable extension support. You'll find it in the settings, and from there, you can browse and install from a wide selection. Now, Yandex might not support absolutely every extension out there, but for most users, you'll find the core tools you need, like translators, privacy extensions, and content blockers. One thing that sets Yandex apart is its focus on customization and security, with features like turbo mode for faster browsing on slow connections. If you're open to trying something a bit different, Yandex could be a solid option. Finally, let's talk about Microsoft Edge, which recently stepped up its game in the Android browser world. You might be familiar with Edge on desktop. Now, on Android, Microsoft has introduced its own extension store right inside the browser. While the number of extensions is currently a bit limited, you'll find more than 20 popular options, and the library is growing. The curated nature means you get verified, reliable tools without having to dig around. So if you like the idea of a streamlined experience or already use Edge on your desktop, this browser could be a great fit. For example, you might install productivity tools like Grammarly or privacy-focused extensions curated by Microsoft. It's all about simplicity and safety, which is especially handy if you prefer not to experiment with lesser-known browsers. So, to sum up, whether you're looking for full compatibility and familiar features with Kiwi browser, solid performance and unique tools with Yandex, or a safe, curated experience with Microsoft Edge, you have some great choices for bringing Chrome extensions to your Android device. Just remember, installing extensions can sometimes impact performance or battery life, so keep an eye out for that. And don't worry if you need to experiment a bit to find your ideal setup. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments which browser you'll be trying out, or if you have any questions about using extensions on mobile. And if you want more tech tips and tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.